This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Nicole Stillwell. Newly renovated home. This spacious and move-in ready beauty has been renovated with all trendy amenities that we are all after. Renovated kitchen with new soft close cabinets, granite countertops and newer stainless steel appliances. The large peninsula is open to the dining room, which is ideal for your family get-togethers. Freshly renovated baths with new vanities, toilets and modern tile with a splash of color. Newer waterproof vinyl flooring in the main areas with new carpeting in the bedrooms. Freshly painted inside and outside with new ceiling fans and an interior laundry room. There is a newer metal roof, while the carport and front entry have new metal ceilings, adding to the modern farmhouse feel. Sits on a 88 by 111 non-flood zone lot that is fully fenced for your four-legged babies. There are 2 storage sheds that are not warranted. The fridge in the carport remains if desired.